I make 2 videos about books that I value. So here are some more books so that I get through them. I of course like reading poetry, but here's a novel, L'Ecclesia, The Desert. And I was educated in mathematics, and here it uses very strong language, like describing all kinds of structures, like one does in mathematics. And then, well, it's in Finnish, but that's from where I learned that the experience reality is very important for learning mathematics and things like that, which was my compulsory thing to do in the mathematics department. So here's another book that's just like for the same reason. It's very good for mathematics because he's especially in the beginning. It's a kind of all kinds of things, like what one needs this kind of lists in mathematics. So it's just imagination but very strong pictures, and that's very, very good for it. But okay, I like all kinds of novels, but these 2 are good for one's work. Okay. Then there's another novel that I've liked very much about women's language. In a place where women are very much pressed down, so there's no room for the women's ways of saying things, and so they develop a secret language of their own. That's very beautiful and nice, and I feel it to be important in the present day world too. We would need such respect for the women's ways of saying and looking at things. Then there's another novel. This is just science fiction nonsense, or how to say, but it was nice to read because the basic idea is that you, in your life, you kind of make the important decisions before you are aware of them being the important thing in your life. Your life is kind of done before you know it. You think that you are just gaming, and that was the real fight. Then because of this, I was on a wilderness guide course. It took years. I was first in a farming school and then in a wilderness guide course, and there was this book about all the wonders of the Finnish nature, and it is